To run a successful cloud platform, you need really three things. You need to have a sense of scale and provide infrastructure that is deployed all over the world that gives customers the ability to scale up and to run the most intensive workloads anywhere they need to, anywhere in the world, at a moment's notice. You need to have deep security and provide a cloud that is not just secure in and of itself, but also enables customers and provide solutions for customers so they can also secure their own applications and be able to better tune and optimize them in a cloud-based environment. And then you need a broader sense of trust, whether that's around compliance, whether it's around privacy, and really providing a cloud infrastructure that gives customers the sense of trust that they can run their most mission-critical systems and be hugely successful. There's nothing more important than securing data, because data, as we collect data about all of our businesses and about all our users, that data is incredibly precious and important from a privacy and from a business perspective to make sure is only used appropriately. Well, with artificial intelligence, is about really taking large amounts of data and building algorithms against it that enables you to make more intelligent decisions. And the power of the cloud is that it provides the scale so that you can take very, very large amounts of data from all over the world where your solutions are running and be able to reason over it and build these types of algorithms. And that ability to do that gives you the ability to make better decisions, to more optimize your machinery and your industrial equipment, to improve worker safety and improve efficiency and productivity throughout your operations. The question really isn't cloud or edge. The solution is really cloud and edge. With the cloud, again, you can take vast amounts of data, you can train AI and build AI models using that data to get much more intelligence. And then the beauty about the intelligent edge is you can now take those AI models and push them down closer to your machines, closer to your workers and your assembly lines, and be able to make much more real-time decisions with that AI as part of your manufacturing, as part of your operations. And so we very much view edge and cloud as together, and really by harnessing the power of them together, you can really transform how you do business. Well, we're very excited about the open manufacturing platform. It builds on top of the great work that's happening as part of the Platform Industry 4.0 initiative, as well as the OPC standardized IoT protocols and initiatives. And in many ways, I kind of think of OMP as sort of an applied Industry 4.0. It's about industry leaders coming together to share patterns and practices in a very open source-like way. That is open in terms of platforms, open in terms of different manufacturers, open in terms of cloud, and is really around getting scale by having multiple companies that are able to contribute their knowledge, share their knowledge, and really enable the industry to apply the Industry 4.0 principles that we've been talking about even more effectively. The open aspect of the open manufacturing platform is incredibly important. With openness, we really enable every vendor and every company to be able to get better, to be able to take advantage of scale in a bigger way, and being able to be open about knowledge, open on protocols and standards, and open in terms of how we collaborate, I think is really going to take the industry forward to the next level.